So hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. You have already know that the Constitutional Amendment Act, that is the 131 Constitutional Amendment Act, is being tabled in the Parliament. So in this today's video, we will learn under the which are all the article the changes would be made. So let's begin the video. The first article under which the changes would be taken place is the Article 55, because it talks about the Electoral College of the President. It advises us to maintain the uniformity in the representation of the states and the parity between the states and the center. Okay, and next article is the article number 81. Okay, it talks about the composition of the Lok Sabha. So here it is very important. You should know that the present strength of the Lok Sabha is the 530 for the states and 20 for the UTs. That would be changed to 850. That is the 815 for the states and 35 for the UTs. And maybe they are considering the number of the upcoming UTs if there would be. So the next article that is subject under which the changes have been made is the Delimitation Commission. So Constitution of Delimitation Commission, you have to remember that this would be the fifth Delimitation Commission if it is constituted. Okay, UPSC ने पहले भी number of the Delimitation Commission के ऊपर question पूछा है. So you have to remember it would be the fifth Delimitation Commission. So the next article that would be under which the changes are being taken place is the article number 170. So you have to remember that for the composition of the Lok Sabha, it would be the article number 81. For the composition of the state legislative assembly, the article that would be the article number 170. So the next the articles talks about the reservation. Okay, the article that is the 330, article 330, that talks about the reservation provision for in respect to the Lok Sabha. So there are the exception for the fifth schedule states. Okay, and then the next article, it would be the article number 332, that talks about the reservation provisions in the state assembly. So you have to lastly remember that is the article 334. Okay, 334, that talks about the time limitation on the reservation. So you know that the 104 Amendment Act extended the sunset clause for further 10 years. So you have to note the point here that the article number 330A specifically talks about the women reservation in the Lok Sabha, as well as the article 332A that specifically talks about the women reservation in the state assembly, and that's all. So I would strongly advise you to remember these articles, because the articles would play a major role in the upcoming examination. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.